Meet the Tesla CEO who was in Israeli Special Forces, Zev Drori.
In 2007, and the only person who would agree to be CEO of Tesla was a guy who spent 3 years in the Israeli paratroopers and was afraid of nothing. Zev joined as CEO. I like Zev, actually. He is fearless, but from a personality standpoint, his personality did not mesh well with the rest of the team. After about 6 months of Zev being CEO, the team had a revolt, basically. They said, look, if Zev is going to continue to be the CEO, we're all going to leave. I was like, okay. Then I was like, can you guys at least tough it out through then? And they're like, okay, we'll tough it out for a few more months. The market started falling off a cliff around September of 2008. And then I told Zev, like, I'm going to have to put in everything I've got, all the money I've got left. That means I have to be CEO. I've got to, putting all my chips on the table. And Zev said, he totally understands.